So today we're going to create a new folder as we begin our 3D modeling unit. We're actually going to need to make two of them. The first one we'll make is going to be in OneDrive. So I'm going to Control-C copy and then go to my File Explorer. Now I have one here. You should have these four project folders already set up. My Favorite Things, we started our digital portfolio, and then the video version of My Favorite Things, we've worked in vector graphics, and now we're going to create the one for 3D modeling. So let me minimize that and copy this name of the new project folder. When I go back here, make sure you're in OneDrive and you're viewing your project folders before you create the new one, and just paste that in there. So this is not going to be just SketchUp files because we're going to be using other programs as well, but we need a place locally in order to put files like that. So the other place that we need to make a folder is on Google Drive. This is the first time we'll be using our online software, so we need to have a place in Google Drive for those files to be stored. So I'm going to copy this one, and you'll notice it just says SketchUp. That's the only thing that's going to go in this folder, and we can make it in Google Drive. So go to your Google Drive. I've already opened mine up here, and I'm looking. I've got my one from last year, and you can see all of the SketchUp files that are in here. Using that date code appropriately really helps find things and look at really old stuff and see where the new things are. So we are going to create a new folder in My Drive. So make sure you're on My Drive, New, and New Folder. I'm going to paste that second name right in there. Same date code, but strictly the SketchUp files. And now that we've got that, we can go to SketchUp. So if you're signed in through Launchpad, it may or may not be there. So let's try San Antonio and SISD, and then the Launchpad. And it's not really a Google anything. So we got to find SketchUp. We might need to search here. And so as you can see, there is no shortcut directly from Launchpad. It's still very easy to get to though. Let me open a new tab and switch to my SketchUp for Schools. So it's here in the Google shortcuts, but you do need to get to it this way if you don't want to type sketchup.com and go to free, and this is probably the easiest way to get to this program. These are shortcuts. Please do not use those. This is our quick access, and that is very problematic if you rely on that, because who knows where that file actually lives on the web. So go to your My Drive, and find that new folder. It will usually be sorted so it's right here at the beginning, and it's empty right now. So what are we going to put in here first? Well, I'm going to give you a template, and so you'll need to download it and then upload it to this folder.